a cinematic look at the professional drivers who keep your world running. Every day, while most of us sleep, millions of drivers begin their journeys to keep the world moving. They are the backbone of our economy, the reason store shelves stay stocked, the invisible force behind every online order that arrives at your door. The alarm rings while the world sleeps. Pre-trip vehicle inspection, route planning and optimization, loading verification, safety equipment check, 5 a.m., on the road before sunrise, first delivery window opens, traffic pattern navigation, weather condition assessment, communication with dispatch. Those who have regular routes sometimes must begin work very early in the morning, ensuring fresh goods reach their destinations before businesses open their doors. Time pressure. Every delivery has a window. Miss it, and entire supply chains are disrupted. Drivers navigate traffic, construction, and weather while racing against strict schedules. Physical demands. Delivery truck drivers and driver sales workers have a physically demanding job. Driving a truck for long periods can be tiring. When loading and unloading cargo, drivers do a lot of lifting, carrying, and walking. Isolation. Long hours alone on the road, away from family and friends. The cab of a truck becomes office, dining room, and sometimes bedroom, all in one. Logistics driving isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's a complex dance of timing, regulation, and problem solving. Route optimization. Calculating the most efficient path while accounting for weight restrictions, height clearances, and delivery windows. Compliance management. Tracking hours of service, maintaining logbooks, adhering to federal safety regulations, all while keeping loads moving. Real-time adaptation, responding to accidents, road closures, weather delays, and equipment issues with split-second decision-making. Load security, ensuring cargo arrives safely, undamaged, and on time. The driver's reputation depends on it. Customer service. Every interaction matters. Drivers are often the only face of their company that customers see. They represent their entire organization with every delivery, every signature, every handshake. They navigate loading docks, coordinate with receiving staff, handle paperwork, and solve problems on the spot, all with professionalism and courtesy. Problem solving. Wrong address, closed business, damaged goods. Drivers handle countless unexpected situations every single day, making judgment calls that keep commerce flowing smoothly. They're mechanics, navigators, diplomats, and logistics experts, all rolled into one. Behind every successful delivery is a web of invisible work that most people never see. Documentation, bills of lading, delivery receipts, customs paperwork, inspection reports. Drivers manage mountains of documentation to keep shipments legal and traceable. Vehicle maintenance, pre-trip inspections, post-trip checks, identifying mechanical issues before they become dangerous. Drivers are the first line of defense for safety. Hours management, carefully balancing driving time, mandatory breaks, and rest periods to comply with federal regulations while maximizing productivity. Coordination, constant communication with dispatchers, customers, warehouse staff, and other drivers to ensure seamless logistics operations. After up to 14 hours on duty, the driver completes their final delivery. The sun is setting, sometimes in a different state than where they started. Final vehicle inspection, logbook entries, tomorrow's route planning, then finally rest. At least 10 hours off duty before it all begins again. But before sleep comes, there's a moment of quiet satisfaction. Today, because of their work, families had groceries on their tables. Businesses had the supplies they needed. Medical facilities received critical equipment. Construction projects stayed on schedule. The economy kept moving forward. By the numbers. Average driver contributions: 15 to 30 deliveries per day, 500 miles traveled, 2 to 3 tons of cargo moved, dozens of customers served. One driver, countless impacts. Truck drivers are professionals that keeps goods moving across the country. They are the backbone of the logistics industry, ensuring that everything from groceries to construction materials reaches its destination on time. They sacrifice time with family. They endure physical exhaustion. They navigate danger and uncertainty. They work while we sleep and rest while we work. And yet, we rarely see them. We don't know their names. We don't stop to thank them. But everything we have, everything we buy, everything that makes modern life possible arrived on a truck driven by someone who chose this challenging, essential, often thankless profession. Next time you see a delivery driver, remember, they're not just delivering a package, they're keeping the world moving forward, 1 mile at a time. To every logistics driver out there, thank you. You are seen, you are appreciated, you are heroes.